Okay, new tool test. I don't know if you call it a tool. It's more of an attachment. Anyway, it's a VEVOR. They send me a lot of stuff to play with. They actually got some decent stuff. They got millions of things to buy. So this here, which doesn't really say what it is, I guess. It doesn't really tell me what's in this box. Oh, there's a threshold ramp. There you go. Gotta find a number for it right there. There you go. It's a threshold ramp. I don't know if that's a number that matters. So, anyway, it's for going over curbs, in stairways, and all kinds of stuff that gets in the way. Ratchets over here. Here's the bolts. Looking for a jump box. Oh, your jump box? Yeah. There you go. The ramp. Portable ramp. Looks like that. Boom. It's heavy. Oh, they give you some gloves to wear in case you don't have real hands. I have real hands, so I don't worry about gloves. Seems to be a common thing these days. Include gloves with everything. I don't know what the deal is. Okay, so what you have here is an extruded piece of aluminum. There's a channel in it we assemble these together on. And each piece articulates a little bit, so it doesn't have to be an even floor to go on. So this one here looks like the 6-inch height because it's tall. Yeah. And they go progressively 1-inch increments. All the way down to 1 inch. Actually goes on to 0. That'd be your 0-inch. So depending on how your stuff you got to go over, you can vary the height that you need. I thought it was pretty good. So this is your first one. And these articulate, like I said, so they flip up and down a little bit. Uneven ground. So here's your 2-inch height. And this piece here slides into the other piece somehow. So that's what we got to figure out how to do that. We need to figure out how to do that. So let's see if I can figure it out. Well, I figure it can't be that damn difficult. It might be. So I don't see how it goes together. Here's the 1-incher over here. This way, and this way, and this way. Here. Good. There you go, all your pieces. Now, what are you looking at? Not much, obviously. Okay, so you got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's how you do it. Use the one you need. Okay, now I gotta figure out and put this together. Can I figure this out by myself? This appears to be a leading edge right here. This is a leading edge right here. So it looks like we got two leading edges. That one or that one. So. Bingo. I figured it out. I figured it out. See this here? Matches that right there. Probably talks about that in a second. I didn't read the instructions though. Look at that. That one does not go that way. Let's go this way. Still lost.
Touch so many things, I don't know where I put my junk box.
She'll turn up. Okay. That looks like a champ. Problem, I'm doing something wrong in the first piece. So this here will not go there. Looks like you have two options. You can run this one or this one. And there's just some way of putting that together somehow. I'm not sure. Well, that goes to 0, so what the hell is this one for?
In the bag.
Found it!
Sticking everywhere.
Okay, when you get done with that, you can tell me how this works, because I don't know. I think this is for whacking somebody with, because it doesn't fit. I think you have the option of either the low one here that goes right to 0, or you can take this one out. Put this one in there, but nope, that doesn't fit in there. That does not work that way. I guess it's a double for going over something like this. And this one's for a low threshold. You just gotta go over a little 1-inch thing. Use this one. Boom. That's what that's for. So it's a little adapter piece. You can put in any one of these stages and just go right into it. That's what this is. Because this one here goes right into this one. Like that. It's the same piece. Take this one out. So this one goes right to 0. If you got to put this over another lip or something that's really, if it's already up there, it's got like a little threshold to go over, that'd be this one. Or you can run one of these other ones. Oh, I know what this is for. Okay. Ah, okay. The dumbass has figured it out. I figured it out. It can be used for that. Okay, that's the first one. Nice and straight. This is your lip to go on your curb. It goes over here in the last one. Whichever the last one is, this goes here. That is the threshold piece. So whatever you end at, this gives you a little lip, because this sticks out about a little bit, about that arse. So that goes on top of whatever your lip is. So that goes on, if you got one to come up 5 inches, you put it here. This is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inch. You put this on wherever you want to. It's the last one on the line. So right now we got a 6-inch lift. Nice easy lift up, nice even smooth ramping. Looks pretty good. Go drive over that easy. I'm gonna find a curb to put this on and test it with. This looks like it's plenty strong enough to put a motorcycle right up it, no problem. It's wheelchair width also. Scooter, if you have like a little scooter thing, the old handicap type stuff. And put a small car on it. Oh no, you can't do that. No cars. Small car would fit on that. You get 2 of these and put it on the tire of your car, or you can use this on a container. I don't know anybody has a container. You can pick up another one of these, put 2 together and use it on a container, and drive right up the damn thing. That'd be nice for that. I don't have any containers around here. So what we're going to do is we're going to test it on our lift right here. So, drop our lift down. And you can show what it looks like. We have a tapered ramp here on the front we're going to eliminate. What a mess over here. All this. We made a mess. Wait a second to do that one. Do it before I lift off the different one. Hold on. Okay, so there is our angled ramp right there. You can see how long it goes. Now this. Came in here, backing your bike up. See that?
Yep.
You're looking for something.
Yeah. So I gotta get these bags on here if you want them help with anything else.
Yeah, pretty good. Not quite tall, I need a 7-inch one. So, see it's in the air, 1 inch. Right there, you got an inch gap down there. That's a 7-inch lift. You need one more stage. But that'll still work pretty good the way it is. So you can drive up, get a wider ramp on your back route. But that's how it works on the curb. As long as you're not too tall on the curb, it'll work. Nice even. Looks pretty good. Good bite on your boots. Don't worry about sliding out. There you go. Now we're gonna find something important to test that with. We'll be back.